If your AI agent is compromised at build time, no amount of runtime testing matters. We are operating under the assumption that your build environment is hostile. The attack surface isn't just in runtime, it starts much earlier, hidden within dependencies and build tools. Traditional vulnerability scanning checks for known bad inputs. It doesn't prove provenance, it doesn't answer the question, who touched this artifact, and when? To build true trust into a modern AI agent, we need to transition from hoping for security to cryptographically proving it. This is where supply chain integrity comes in. In-Toto provides the framework. It defines a set of expected steps, or the layout, that your software must successfully pass through to be considered trustworthy. Think of it as a notarized journey. Each stage must verify the output of the previous stage, and then produce an auditable artifact that proves its execution. The first check happens during dependency acquisition. You must verify that the fetched base image or library was signed by its declared maintainer. If that initial dependency verification fails, the chain is broken. The build process halts immediately. You never proceed with compromised material. Next is the build stage. The compiler or builder must produce an artifact whose hash matches the expected output defined in your layout. We move into the technical implementation. Here's how you enforce this with a verification step before signing off on the build. In our pipeline script, we use a hashing library to generate the digest of the compiled artifact. This is the unique identifier for this specific build. Once we have that digest, the next action is to sign it using a private key. This signature proves that this specific machine ran the build and produced this artifact. This signature is the proof. It binds your identity to the artifact's integrity, creating a verifiable checkpoint in the supply chain. The final layer is testing. Before deployment, the artifact passes functional tests, but crucially, it also undergoes a verification check. The deployment environment must possess the public key corresponding to the original build machine. It then checks, does this signature match the layout's expectation? If the signature validates perfectly, meaning it was built using trusted dependencies, through expected stages, and signed by a known key, only then is it safe to deploy. This shifts the burden of trust from runtime monitoring to build time proof. You are no longer hoping your code is clean, you are proving it. In production monitoring, you are looking for runtime anomalies. But in the build pipeline, you are looking for chain breaks. Implementing In-Toto is not a flip switch. It's a cultural shift toward verifiable engineering practices across your entire team. Start by mapping your current deployment workflow. Identify every single touchpoint, fetching, building, testing, and signing. Then, introduce the checkpoints. Insert those signing steps and verification scripts at each critical junction. By treating your artifact like a diplomatic passport, requiring stamps from every country it passes through, you gain absolute, auditable assurance. The initial overhead is significant. But the cost of a compromised production AI agent? That scales exponentially. Secure your foundation. Build trust into the DNA of your software supply chain. If this dive into verifiable integrity helped solidify your approach to productionizing AI agents, hit subscribe for more deep dives on scaling secure systems.